welcome to your IT class. I hope you all are safe and following the videos of your IT class. In last two videos, I have explained you about your chapter number 1, where I have covered the topics, what is a computer, what are the benefits of using computer, and in the last video, I have explained you about input devices. Children, now today's topic is output devices, storage devices and processing devices. Children, let's go through the chapter for explanation. Students, I hope now it is clear to you what are input devices. Today I will start with output devices and will also learn about storage and processing devices. Students, you all know output devices are used to display the result or output. These devices are, you can see this monitor, students. It displays the information that you get after the processing. You must have seen this part. It looks like a TV. Printers, you must have seen the printers also in your computer labs and even at your homes also, in shops also. What it does, it shows the output in the form of printout, and we can also call that printout a hard copy. Student, we have different kinds of printers. Laser printer we have, it is expensive but also gives us best quality printouts. When we talk about inkjet printers, these printers print text and images by spraying ink. They use ink and they spray it on the paper. When we talk about dot matrix printer, children, these printers are less expensive, but these printers are very noisy. You can see the pictures of these printers. This is laser printer, this is inkjet printer, and this is dot matrix printer. Now we will come to another kind of output device, that is speaker. It must be at your home and you are using it. It is used to produce music or anything that generates sound. Now children, we will talk about data projector. You must have seen this in your smart class also. It projects the data to display on larger screen. Now children, we have smart board. You have seen it in your classes. We use it to display information and is connected with the projector. Children, you must have seen this projector hanging in your class, and this is the smart board where you can see the information on the larger screen. Now students, we have storage devices. Storage, children, you all know that we save data for future use. So to store our data, obviously we will be needing some devices. That devices are hard disk drive. Children, this is hard disk drive. It is the permanent storage media and it is inside the CPU. It is not outside. Optical disk or compact disk, or you can also say CDs, we can use to store. Students, we have different kinds of CDs available, like CD-ROM, which means compact disc read-only memory, and we have DVD-ROM also. It stands for digital versatile disc read-only memory. Children, DVD can store much more data. We have Blu-ray disc also. Children, this is Blu-ray disc, you can see. It is scratch resistant. Then we have flash drive also. Flash drive, you all know, we all are using pen drives to store our data, which is a portable medium to store the data. And memory card, you must have seen, this is also a portable medium and you can add it in your smartphones also. Now students, let's learn about processing device. We have CPU to do processing, so it is the processing device, and it is divided into three parts, that is ALU, CU and MU. When we are talking about this ALU part, children, ALU does all the arithmetical and logical calculations, and when we are talking about CU, CU stands for control unit. It controls all the parts of computer, and memory unit, as you all know, it saves the data or it holds the data. Now children, we will talk about some CPU manufacturers. The biggest CPU manufacturer is Intel, and most of the manufacturers offers us multi-core processors. Now children, I hope that you must have understood what are output devices and what are storage devices. So children, with this I have completed your chapter number 1. So I hope that you have understood what is a computer, what are its benefits, and what are input, output and storage devices. Thank you students. Have a good day.